tryna ride on my back like a Mustang. See ya. I got a watch on my wrist, it's a bust down. See ya. I'm tryna hop on a flight out of town. See ya. But I sent my baby to bring it around.
What we doing?
Popping out with GLOCK.
And this bitch, she got his stream going. I don't know if it's stream live right now.
You gotta take your people down there.
I'm going to. Yeah, his stream live right now. He got his shit going.
You ready? We can smoke down there.
Come on, let's go. Yeah. He tired of it, though. He getting it, though. He yelling at nobody. Oh yeah, he yelling at nobody, bruh. He got it. I said he yelling at nobody. Hey, line here is fully growing.
Boy, the hardest, guy.
Yes,
Yeah. Let them back in, y'all.
yeah. Artist after artist pulling up right now.
It's 40.
Don't let nobody walk past y'all. I don't give a fuck what they're talking about. Not to say you're not talking about what you're talking about. Tell them to come get you. Don't let nobody
Hey,
pass
tell
you.
them.
Tell them. They moved me, but I don't fucking back.
Feel we good. We in this bitch now, baby. Yeah, that's how we do it. We ain't paying for shit. We in this bitch.
I got it right away.
I know, bro. I don't know how the hell you got to be. Alright, we in this bitch.
I just saw it on back here. After party.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Somebody bumping out.
If this shit ain't been a bump on deal in a blind too, and she breezy, makes
Yeah.
me and easy without trying. I got so much.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, look at me and shit. We gon' get this money. Hey, yo, bro, we gon' get this motherfucking
Donuts in the party. Dope boy with an arm. My role model used to get 100 blocks. Black nigga remember me. Till I filled out that recipe. Started getting about 10 a week. Finger on the trigger when I sleep. Yeah, nigga, I'd rather you than me. How the fuck you? Before you come through that back door, you better knock. All you fun niggas stay out my way.
What you see me stupid ass nigga? What's up, DJ? What we doing?
Yeah, we put extensions in all of the cars.
You really niggas, you want me to take it right now? That's how, no, we can go a little bit more. We can go a little bit more. So you want to do it like that?
We at the top.
But we really
Tell that pussy fuck him and that feel oh, you must be mad cause they call me the dog man. Oh, I forgot you came up rapping this and fixing my Miami on the man. Shit.
Live on there?
How you want to
It's
do it?
live right now.
I want some all shit, man.
Hey, what is that shit though? What is that? That shit hard. I can hold it. Hey, I'm already knowing. There you go. Hey, shout your shit out real quick. Shout it out. Hey, y'all go tap it with the bar right now. Y'all go tap it with it. Hey, stay constant with that content shit though. Oh shit.
Yeah, we did.
getting that work though. He been getting that work all night.
You know we do this shit for real.
So guess who raised me? You motherfucking right.
They know this shit. They better say this shit right here one time. Big out.
He look like fuck this shit like jury, not real damn. But got more guap than all of y'all. Lost a $500,000, that's why I stopped.
I heard DC in the building. What's happening?
Tall skinny nigga, I should have been playing ball.
Okay.
But I had niggas spilling
100
granted.
Tony. Big out.
Yeah, that shit to pick up a pistol and go.
Oh yeah, he live. Yes sir, yes sir.
Let them know. I'm not that solid. Double solid, man. Gave it. Double solid, my nigga. Double solid, my nigga.
It's hell, bro. That shit wet.